Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna do the unboxing and quick review of Samsung Galaxy A70 smartphone. Okay, so let's start. Quickly open it and unbox this phone. Okay, so in top here you can see the box is available. Let's see what we get inside the box. So here we get some reading manuals, warranty card, and this transparent TPU case. Okay, and here the phone itself. You can see the phone. It looks really great, made of a plastic polycarbonate body. Just keep this aside and see what we get inside the box. So this is the charger. If we talk about its output, it will give you 3 ampere or 9 volt. Okay, so it is a fast charger, and Samsung says that it is a super fast charger. It will charge your phone in super fast speed. This is the earphones, and this is the USB Type-C cable. And here we get SIM ejector tool. Here you can see this is the SIM ejector tool. Okay, just keep all this side. So here the phone itself, as you can see, just remove its plastic cover. Okay, so you can see the phone itself. It looks really great. And if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get the secondary microphone, and on this side we get a volume rocker and power key, and on bottom we get the main speaker, main microphone, USB Type-C port and headphone jack. And on this side we get the SIM tray. Let's see what we get in this tray. So you can see, okay, it's supposed dual nano SIM card with a dedicated micro SD card slot. That's great. Keep this in. Okay, now I'm going to boot this up. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set it up, I will give you its configuration overview. Okay, it has Snapdragon 675 octa-core processor. It has 6GB RAM with 128GB internal storage. It has 6.7-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display. It has dual nano SIM card support with dedicated micro SD card slot. And if we talk about camera, it has 32 megapixel f1.7 aperture with 8 megapixel wide angle and 5 megapixel depth sense. It has 32 megapixel front camera, and if we talk about battery, it has 4500 milliamp hour battery which supports super fast charging. It has in-display fingerprint sensor. It supports face unlock, and out of the box you got Android Pie. Okay, so I have set up the device. Okay, so I have set up the device. You can see phone is starting, and if we talk about its UI, looks really great, and you can see the design on edge which looks really great. And if we swipe from top, we get the notification bar, quick settings. Here you can see always on display, Dolby Atmos, NFC, and many features are available. Okay, just quickly go to settings and see how many storage we get out of 128GB. Go to device and care. Now go to storage, and here you can see system and user data use 19.7GB, and out of 128GB the available space is 108.3GB. Okay, and if we talk about its OS, just go to the about phone and see its software information. Okay, so it is running on One UI version 1.1 and the software install is Android Pie. You can see. And if we talk about its Android security patch level, it is of 1 May 2019. And if we talk about its main highlighted feature, which is camera, in front you get the 32 megapixel front shooter, and on back you got the 32 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 5 megapixel with flash, and it has in-display fingerprint sensor. So first we are going to check its fingerprint and face unlock performance. Okay, so let's start. If we talk about fingerprint, you can see, do it again. Here you can see, try your biometric again in 15 seconds. In my opinion, the fingerprint sensor on this phone is not good. Okay, try again. Here you can see the fingerprint performance is worst, I would like to say. Okay, we will try it after some seconds. Okay, so now it's unlocked finally. You can see the fingerprint performance is really very bad. And if we talk about the face unlock, okay, you can see I see and it unlocked. Okay, the face unlock performance is good according to its price, not very good. Okay, try again. Okay, so the face unlock and fingerprint performance is average, and the fingerprint performance is below than average. And if we talk about the camera quality, it has a triple rear camera. So let's check this out. Quickly open the camera. And if we talk about the camera UI in camera settings, we get a scene optimizer. And if we talk about rear video size, okay, it captures up to ultra HD. It's capture up to 3840 into 2160p. So it also record 4K and full 1:1 and many resolutions. And if we talk about front video size, it captures up to full HD. And it has high efficiency video mode, HDR is available, location tags, and if we go in camera modes, we get panorama, pro, live focus, photo, video, super slow-mo, slow motion, hyperlapse, and this is the keep using last mode. Okay, this will set to last mode too, and the watermark is also available. Okay, if we talk about the photo quality, just take a picture and see its performance. As you can see, I'm not going to say that the camera performance is also good. In this price range, this phone is going to disappoint you. Here you can see it is in indoor light condition, and here is the wide angle. You can see it is on wide angle, and this is the normal view. And if we talk about top, here we get some filters, and this is for beauty by tapping turn on and off. And if we talk about photo size, it gives 3:4h, 3:4, 9:16, 1:1, and full. This is the timer, just have to set on and off. This is the flash, okay. And in top you can see AR emoji. This is the AR emoji feature available. Okay, so it's look great. Okay, go back, and on this side you get a Bixby Vision. Let's check this out. See more than meet the eyes. Okay, allow all. Okay, can connect to the network. Let's go back. So guys, in my opinion, this phone is not good, and I will not suggest you to buy this smartphone in this price range. In this price range, many smartphones which has a great performance than this. So guys, this is the unboxing and a quick review of Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query, comment below in comment section. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for latest updates.